Hello everyone, we are Crystal, Eunice, Eyal and Brian. Today, we are going to talk about biofuel. What is biofuel? Biofuel is a type of renewable energy source derived from microbial plant or animal materials. It can be solid, liquid and gas. Fuels that have been extracted from plants and crops are known as biofuel. Of these, the most commonly extracted and used one is bioethanol or simply ethanol and biodiesel. It is blended with gasoline and can be used as an alternative fuel for your car. Plant-based fuels come from renewable sources, can be grown anywhere and have lower carbon emissions as compared to fossil fuels. Biofuel not only helps a struggling economy by providing jobs but also helps in reducing greenhouse gases up to much extent by emitting less pollution.
How to make a biofuel. Here is the process of making biofuel. The process that making biofuel is filtering, removing of water, titration, preparation of sodium methoxide, heating and mixing, and the last one is setting and separation. For the filtering, content is filtered to remove the unwanted particles. Then, water can be easily removed by making the liquid boil at 100 degrees Celsius. The next process is titration. This is the most important step of biotech manufacturing. This process is carried out to determine the amount of lye that would be required. Next we need to prepare sodium methoxide. Methanol is mixed with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium methoxide.
After prepare the sodium methoxide, we need to heat and mix. The residue is heated in between 120 to 130 degree Fahrenheit after it is mixed well. Last, we need to set and separate. After the cooling process, the biofuel will be found floating at the top, while the heavier glycerin would be found at the bottom. Here is the list for the biofuel. In this picture shows that there are 3 replacers. There are gasoline replacers, diesel replacers, and alternative replacers. Most of the biofuel made by plants, the fermentation of sugar and crops such as ethanol, butanol, and methanol. Famous the biodiesel made from transesterification of vegetables oil, while HVO biodiesel and VTL are the biodiesel made from plant by hydrogenation, pyrolysis, and biomass process. Then, for the biogas hydrogen and DME. They are the biofuel that reprocessing by methane methanol to produce diesel, petrol engine, or fuel cell. Algae fuel is transesterification into biodiesel. Carbohydrate content fermented into ethanol. Now, let we talk about advantage and disadvantage of biofuel. First advantage is renewable. Most of the fossil fuels will expire and end up in smoke one day, but biomass such as food waste and plants are renewable. Second, reduce greenhouse gases. Studies suggest that biofuels reduce greenhouse gases up to 65%. When fossil fuels burnt, large amount of the greenhouse gases will produce. Third, lower levels of pollution. Since biofuels can be made from renewable resources, they cause less pollution to the planet, and it also results in a significant reduction of PM emissions. The first disadvantage is high cost of production. Even with all the benefits associated with biofuels, they are quite expensive to produce in the current market. By research, the market value of biofuels used in transportation may reach $185 billion by 2021. Second is weather problem. Biofuels is less suitable for use in low temperature. It is more likely attract moisture than fossil diesel. So these are our presentation. Hope you all enjoy our presentation about biofuels. Thank you and bye bye.